What's up, everybody? Magic Twist here, and today we're going to be doing some basic care for our Venus flytraps. Plus, we're going to feed one of these lucky traps a spider that I found roaming around in my house. Come on, focus. There we go. Right there. But it's been like a week since I fed them, and as you can see, this plant is doing amazing. Has a lot of open traps, growing some new traps also. And if you look closely on this one, you can see that digestion fluid from the trap that I fed the cricket to, right at the ends. And then you look at this one, you don't see it, but it hasn't reopened, so I'm guessing it's digesting. So that should be good. But this other plant, it's not doing. I mean, it's kind of, a lot of traps blackened out of nowhere for some reason, but hopefully it's nothing. I don't know why this top one, like the ends, you see the little black on it, started blackening. It's probably the sun. I don't know. This one, they both been out at the same time, so I don't know what it is. But I'm just trim the blackened ones off. If you look closely, you can see some new ones. Hold on. There, you see that one? That looks beautiful right there. That one bottom at the end. Right there. That one looks beautiful. And make sure that gets some sun. But yeah. So first let's do some trimming. Put that right over here. Zoom in. Basically what you want to do is get at the base of the trap. So like right in here. Let me get it in there. First you want to clean your scissors, whatever you use. I did that with I used alcohol. So it should be good. So let's right there. Come on. Did I get it? There we go. Got it. Okay, we're gonna put this right. Let's put it up here. No, let's put it right there. Okay. Let's get these other ones. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want the trap to be wasting energy trying to keep these alive. So might as well just cut them off. They're gonna die anyway. Okay, let's get this one right here. Make sure no other plants are in the way. I want to make a mistake and cut one of the new ones. Right at the base. Got it. Okay, put that right next to the other one. Let's cut this new one right here. I don't know what happened to this one. Trying to pull it forward so I don't make a mistake and cut any of the traps that are next to it. Just put it down and do it like that. Oh shoot, my bad. Trying to cut the one that's in the middle. I think I got it. Yep, got it. All right. We got a few more. This one right here. What happened to this one? Something stuck on it. Let's try to do it like this. There's something stuck on it keeping it together. I don't know what that is. There we go. Oh, it's probably just remains of a dead animal. That I think that it probably caught by itself before I got it. This might be good. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna cut it. But this one right here, I will cut. Let's see if I can move this out the way so I don't make mistake and cut it. Don't want to cut the wrong one. There we go. Okay. Come on. And cut this one right here. Come on. There we go. And that should be good. I'm gonna leave this one alone. See what happens to it. Oh, I'm gonna leave this one alone. See what happens to it. See if it gets better or not. I'm gonna leave this. Well, I'm not even gonna try to get this one. Leave it alone. Hopefully this B52 is okay. If not, I might order the mix of these two, the B52 mixed with the BCPs, because they are in stock now. I'm thinking about ordering them. I might not. We'll see. But okay. Now that we're done with this, we can put this back here, and now we can get to the feeding. Okay. What I'm gonna do is try to, I don't know, stun it, I guess, so it doesn't run away. Let me get my tweezers first. Now what we're gonna do is just simple shake. Oh, no, didn't work. Still lively. Try again. Oh. Give me 1 second. Okay, I think I got it. I sprayed it with some water. It's not really moving, so let's see if I can pick it up with the tweezers. Shit. I'm just testing this. Wait. It's holding on to the. Got it. Okay. I'm putting in this one. Okay. Got it. It's in there. Okay. That was pretty easy. I'm getting better at this, feeding them and not having it run out like that cricket in my last video. Jeez. Okay. Alright. Hopefully it starts moving. What we want to do, just in case, just rub the sides. Let me have a closer look at it. Give me a minute. Okay. It was still moving when I was putting it in here, so it should be moving in there. Yeah, it definitely moved. It's in the corner. I'm gonna keep massaging it, try to get the spider to move around. Alright. Well, that's about it. Hopefully this plant gets better. This one is doing better, and I might get the mix of these two. I might order it. We'll see in the next video. Yeah, that'll be it. Alright, see y'all in the next video. Peace.